doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Boosted 78 Stang. I'm gonna be showing you guys a few things that I actually just received. Sorry I haven't put any videos for you guys, the past week and a half, but I've just been waiting on parts. With all this COVID stuff that's going on, the delivery dates are just completely off. So I'll be showing you a few goodies that I just got from my car, and it's gonna be fun. I got a few parts, and here we go. Okay, you guys, one of the things that I got from my the 78 Mustang, you know that when you put a lot of power in your engine, you're gonna have some horsepower, and you know you need a good set of tires to really put that horsepower down to the floor. If you don't got good tires, then it's just a waste of time, you guys. So definitely we want to have a racer style look, and we would definitely want to have some good tires that will really plant that horsepower down to the floor. And here are the wheels that I got from my car, and hope you guys like them. Okay, you guys, well, these are the wheels that I got. There are Whale Pro Star, they're knockoffs. Okay, and you notice the back tires, they're 15x8s, and look at how wide these slicks are. The fronts are real skinny, 15x3.5, and they're considered normally pizza cutters. Okay, you guys, and this is the other part that I got from my car. This is a PRW street girdle. This is made to connect all the main caps so you won't have any crank walk. These hydraulic roller blocks are normally good for about 500 to 550, but with this girdle, they can handle about 625. And here are the nuts, and they even send it to you with red Loctite. So you can really, when you torque them down, they stay nice and tight. They don't back out. And these are the studs right here. These are the washers right here. And these bolts are rated at 180,000 pounds, so they're good. And this is a catalog, PRW. They sell really nice parts, and this is where I got the part from PRW. And this right here, you guys, is where I got my custom grind cam for my turbo application. And right next to it is an old drag car. Hopefully my car will be doing that also. And here is the cam, you guys, and my new valve springs. The valve springs that I got for them, they have about 150 pounds in the seat and about 360 to 370 pounds open. So these are dual springs. And here are the retainers. They're heat treated. Also the keepers, heat treated. You always need cam lube to break in the cam. They provide that as well. And here's a cam card. If you notice, the lift is pretty high. It's about 584, and the intake and exhaust with 286 duration. This cam should be working from 2800 RPM to about 6500 RPM, and it's gonna be very aggressive. And it's made by Schneider Cams. Okay, you guys, as you can see, you saw the parts that I got from my car. I got a set of wheels, which I'm done right there. I got a turbo grind cam for it. I got new valve springs for it, and I got the street girdle as well. I'm still waiting on some parts, and those are gonna be drop shipped to me directly from Vigilante Parts. These guys are located in up in Los Angeles, and so I'll be receiving a harmonic balancer from him still. That way I can take all my components to the machine shop and just get it all ready and done, and he can just finish the balancing up and putting the bottom end together, and I should have my engine back hopefully by the end of next week. So I'll be putting some links on later on other videos that I make. That way you guys can know where I'm getting all my what sources I'm using, where I'm getting all my parts and everything. All right, you guys, so look out for my next video, and I'll be talking to you guys later on.